Now 31 positive cases linked to Maui Memorial Medical Center. Last week, a cluster of cases was announced after more than a dozen staff members tested positive. The hospital is reaching out to nearly 200 patients who may have come in contact with those workers. As Nikki Schenfeld tells us, some staff say more could have been done to prevent the spread.
Some workers at Maui Memorial Medical Center say the morale is low, and they want more transparency and they want more testing to be done to ensure their safety. From mid-March through April 7th, 15 healthcare workers at Maui Memorial Medical Center tested positive for COVID-19. The Department of Health says 4 patients are now under investigation as potentially linked to that cluster. Since Wednesday, an additional 126 workers and patients were tested. And on Sunday, we learned an additional 7 staff and 5 patients' results came back positive for COVID-19. Other results are still pending. The hospital is now notifying 194 patients who received care by affected healthcare workers. One worker at Maui Memorial says lack of transparency and delays in being able to use personal protective equipment is part of the problem.
My guess is that most of this started from staff, coming back from their vacations and giving it to their coworkers during that time period when they were not allowed to wear their own PPE.
Last week, Maui Memorial announced they would allow staff to wear their own masks in certain areas, and they are giving staff masks at the start of each shift. Bear says another concern is testing, after he recently worked with a coworker who had tested positive.
I'm just super upset that, this, cluster, the whole thing slightly started, basically just started, and they did not make the decision to test everybody. There is no morale left. There is no confidence in the administration left.
Mayor Michael Victorino and Lieutenant Governor Josh Green say the hospital and the DOH are working to find out which patients and staff members the infected persons came into contact with. But Lieutenant Governor Green agrees more testing should be done.
I think it's fair to over-test or test more individuals that work in healthcare, first responders, medics, nurses, doctors, because those individuals will have to be taking care of other people. So most important thing to do is to test all close contacts of positive cases, but if it were my judgment call, I would test a little broader than that.
Lieutenant Governor Josh Green says we should know how many total cases there are within the next few days. Nikki Schenfeld, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.